This lecture, you will create the DAO project that you will use in the next few lectures to work on the employee DAO use case. Go to the file menu in STS, New, Spring Starter Project. We are going to create a standalone Spring project. Give it a name, call it DAO. The group name is com.bharat.patterns.dao. Copy it, paste it in the package name, and change the description to DAO pattern. Click on Next so that we can select the required dependencies, the Maven dependencies or the jars that we require for the project to run. And search for JDBC under Available. And it will list out all the JDBC related jars or dependencies. Select the MySQL and JDBC. The MySQL is the MySQL connector jar file, which is the JDBC driver to connect to a MySQL database from Java applications. And JDBC here gives us the JDBC starter Maven dependency for Spring Boot, which will bring in the JDBC template support. Hit finish. That will create a DAO project. Expand it. Go to pom.xml, which is the key file which has all the Maven dependencies. Click on the last tab. Double click to maximize. You will see all the Maven coordinates which you have entered. If you scroll down, the version 1.5.10 is the default version that STS picks up. Change it to 1.5.8. Downgrade it a little because I have seen issues with 1.5.10 when it comes to auto wiring of JDBC template or data source. So Spring has some issues to automatically create a data source and also create JDBC template from it. In version 1.5.10, they are working on it. So let's switch to 1.5.8 for now. Scroll down to the dependencies section and you will see the Spring Boot starter JDBC and also the MySQL connector, which is the JDBC jar file that allows our application to connect to the database. So Spring will use all this information and automatically configure a lot of things for us when we run our application, as we will see in the next few lectures. Just to make sure, you can right click on the project, go to Maven and do a update project. Since you have changed the pom.xml, it's a good practice to do that.